Hey guys, the kitchen is opened by the GM Twins, and check out our new website www.thegmkitchen.com to get the best updates on food. And when I mean best, it's the best, so make sure you check it out. And today we're gonna make thumbnail cookies. I've done this before, but there's a twist. Yeah, we're gonna use semo flour, no bake, no sugar, so just healthy and delicious. Don't forget to wash your hands as the first thing to do is very important. So we need 3 cups of semo flour, and we have spices like ginger, nutmeg, half cup of butter, an egg, and 1 cup of water. Yeah. So let's get back to the flour. Didn't forget to use a semo flour. So I'm kind of using semovita. Yeah, I can do the product around you, but if you get this, then it's good. So the first thing to add is a pinch of salt, half spoonful of grounded ginger, and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. But if you want to be adventurous in your cooking, then add 1 or half spoonful of chili peppers if you love peppers in your cookings. Yeah, so we're gonna mix that together. This is the first step. Mix it together. Yeah, the egg, beat it and add it, just 1 egg. Yeah, add it, and add the butter as well. Half cup of butter. That's it. So now you're gonna mix it with a spoon as first, yeah, to bring it together, and later do the rest with your hands. So when using your hands, just make sure the egg and butter is like everywhere, just enough to get around. Yeah, this is so important. So after using the spoon, use your hands. You can use a long spoon or a short spoon, but just make sure it's strong enough to do this. Now I'm using my hands, trying to get it everywhere. And yes, can you see that? Just enough to get everywhere. Wow. Cooking is beautiful. So after this, bring out the water. Actually, for this, add it little by little till it's able to come around, but you don't add too much so it doesn't get sticky. So as you add a little, bring it together, add a little, bring it together, and make sure it's not too thick and not too sticky. So just like in the middle, enough to bring everything together. You have that silky feel, yeah, like that filmy feel, but not sticky and not too hot. So keep on just add it little by little, yeah. And most of the time, half cup of water might not be used, yeah. So do well with your calculations. I actually only used about half cup of water. it wasn't even up to half cup of water, so just be careful with that. So if you look at that cup, just use a little bit of that water. So yeah, so after kneading it together, and you can see there's no speck of flour, of semo flour, pull out a little portion, your beautiful hands, and knead it a little bit and roll it with your pan. After rolling it, look at that, looks just like that. Then you press it down with your palm. Yeah. Then you take your thumb and push it in just like that. Yeah, can you see that? To make that, oh, that's a thumbnail cookie. Yes. So we did it. So a lot, we come out from 3 cups, and if you want more, just double the ingredients and do the calculations. So before frying, like, heat up the oil on the medium heat for 5 minutes. Yeah, just make sure it's hot enough. So put one in for testing. If it comes up, then the oil is hot, then fry the rest. Yeah, so the frying is done within 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, it might not take as long as this. It depends on how hot your oil is. Yeah, so the first batch takes a longer time to be done than the second batch. Yeah, the second batch is always faster because everything is just hot. Yeah, so make sure it's just brown, not burnt. So be careful when doing this. Stay with it. Yeah, we have our thumbnail cookies. Yeah, so wonderful. So this is just an idea for fancy eating. If you just want to impress your family members or your friends, yeah, you can do this. Yeah. And it's so simple to make, easy to make, with less ingredients. Yeah. So you can also add your favorite spice, but not something that will make it taste awful. Yeah. Like I told you, you could add chili peppers, and maybe you just love a little bit of garlic. Yeah, but no, just do what you love. Yeah, just do what you love. So it's time for the food photography, and check out our beautiful pictures. So this is it. So enjoy with your family. You can enjoy with a bottle of Coke. Yeah, and yeah, for these I enjoyed it with tomato sauce. Yeah, I made a tomato sauce and I dipped it in it, and it was so lovely. So share with those around you. Enjoy and have a nice time. This is so great. Make sure you try this at home. So that's tomato sauce. So if you made this, comment below and tell me how it went. So don't forget to check out www.gmkitchen.com. Yeah, just search for it and you find it for more food updates. So don't forget to like and subscribe and click on the notification bell. Do have a nice day, guys. And yes, fresh videos every Wednesday now. And follow us on Instagram at the GM Twins. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.